crafty friends, it's Alexa from Hearts Crafts and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Perth, Western Australia. Today I have a walkthrough of the gingerbread recipe album that I have been making, and quite excited about this because it's turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love it, absolutely love it. So I've used the Gingerbread and Peppermint Suite with this, and I have very little left over. So here we go, let's have a look. Right, this is the cover, and I actually had fussy cut out the gingerbread tree, and the star I used the dies, and these are some of the stickers from the ephemera pack, or memories and more pack I should say. So there's some stickers here. Now with the candies on here, I actually put some of our sparkling crystal effects on it, which I thought just made them pop beautifully. And I cut the word cookie out of one of the journaling cards, because I cut out recipe here and I put that on the spine. So this is just real red cardstock and a bit of Whisper White, and use the dies again. So looks lovely. And the back I've just left plain for now. So couldn't think of anything to put on. So let's go into this. Now in the cover here, I took one of the cards from the Memory and More pack, and I turned it into a little place to place photos or do some journaling. And this is one of the stickers, and I just put one of the little plastic embellishments on top of there. This is the real red ribbon that's in there, and here's some more of that gorgeous little what do you call them? Plastic embellishments. They're not plastic embellishments. Oh, I can't think. Doesn't matter. Anyway, this page pops up like this, and I hope I can get this all in. So this is a pop-up, twist and pop, something I love to put in my albums, and I use some of the journaling cards in here, and I also use the embossing paste, our shimmery embossing paste. But now that I've done it, I kind of wish I hadn't, because when I close this, it actually does catch a little bit, so I need to help it a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, the next page, I've got this little acetate belly band here, and the idea for this was so you could place your recipes here and work away. And I've just got some journaling cards in here as well. So I'm just going to move these out for a minute as I show this page. So this page folds out like that, and these are quite large pages. Did I mention the size of this album is 7¼ by 6½? So it is a big album. So, and down here you can see I cut out the little bauble. So, oh, and I forgot to show you this side, and then this side's just like that, and we'll flip it over in a sec. I'll just put these back. So, okay, the next page is a double pocket page, so more journaling cards are in here. Oops, didn't mean to knock you. In these pockets, there's loads of room for putting your recipe cards, journaling cards, whatever, photos. This is a little flip up pocket here, and it goes sort of like a little waterfall type of thing, and then a place for a big photo and some journaling. And this page folds out, and then we've got a double pocket page here as well. So just something a little bit different. I just love these papers, they're so pretty, and this has turned out so beautiful. Here I did some paper piecing together I just thought that would be something different and cute. And here once again we've got double pocket page as well. And then we fold over. Whoops. And I probably should have put magnets here and I didn't, but that's okay. So this folds out like this, and I'll try and get this all into the camera. So you have a lovely big spread here, and then you have this side as well, and then on this one you have this side as well. Loads of places to put photos. And this is my lovely pull down waterfall. I love doing these in my albums. I just think they're quite pretty and sweet and interactive. And then we have another pocket page here, double pocket page. And then on this side, I'm going to try and get this in camera, or keep it in camera. Undo my bow. And if you remember, I put this video up of our gingerbread house. So this I had a lot of fun making, our little gingerbread house. I hope I'm getting all the angles here with this, a bit of shadowing. So there's my last page, the pop-up page to say, look, you can make your gingerbread house. And there's even space here for journaling as well. So I just thought this album is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way it turned out. It just all came together beautifully. And of course your back is plain, like I said before. So there is my Gingerbread and Peppermint Suite mini album come recipe book. Hope you enjoyed that. I had loads of fun making this, and have a great day and happy crafting, everyone. Bye for now.